let me quickly remind us that the bane of every institution that you hear that this institution is doing very well is not just by the looks of the walls, the colors of the windows. No, it is by the level of academic research that is going on in such an institution. And that is what brings out visibility to the world, that such an institution is really scholarly. So I believe that our institution is not going to be last. And that is why I want to say that because our rector, a great woman, is someone that is highly interested in research and innovation. And I must say that she, when Dr. Abana said that somebody, the Prof, asked, why you? At times we don't understand everything until it begins to happen. So I want to answer Prof that maybe it is her because the appointment was inspired. And when an appointment is inspired, nothing can stop it. And because it is inspired, she is there to achieve the results for which she is appointed. And that is why she has begun in the way she began. And I believe she's going to take us in the right direction. So today, I want to congratulate each and every one of us that are here. I want to welcome all of us that are here to this very ceremony, who are going to listen attentively while Prof delivers his lecture. I want to believe that we are prepared and we are ready. And at the end of the day, greater things and greater heights will be achieved. I want to also use the opportunity to thank the organizers of this very event. So far, I can see they did very good planning before every other thing. And on that note, I'm going to actually take back message to the Rector and Chief Executive of the institution. That's why I'm happy with the roll call that is taken. Let me know the number of participants that are coming from each school, and I think I have recorded that. I'm going to also relate back to the Chief Executive how you responded to this very call. And also tell her to get her mind prepared in case you come up with one little request or the other. Because I know that research writing is not an easy thing. It will take some things. It will demand and actually take off some money from you. So in one way or the other, you may be requesting one or two things from management. I will tell the Rector to be prepared so that when you come with such requests, he might grant you the audience and then consider your request. And on that note, I, Dr. A.C. Mado, the Director, Academic Planning and Quality Assurance of this great institution, on behalf of the Rector and Chief Executive of the institution, our dear mommy, the Rector of Grace, Dr. Mrs. Basilia Igbokwe, wish to happily declare this very workshop open. Thank you. God bless you.